Good morning, students. Hello, how are you all? Again, I'm Priyanka, your mathematics teacher. In previous two lectures, we all have studied some types of a rational number, comparison of a rational number. Fine. Now, next is how to show the rational numbers on number line. It's very easy. Actually, you can show any of the numbers on a number line. First of all, you must be understand what is a number line that I am going to show you right now first of all. Then we are going to study how to put a rational numbers on number line. Fine. This is nothing but a number line. It starts from 0, okay, and to the right hand side of the 0 all positive numbers are there, and to the left hand side of the 0 all negative numbers are there. This is called as a number line. Okay, now 0 to infinity whole numbers, 1 to infinity natural numbers containing negative, 0 and positive integers. Okay, so you can show any of the numbers on the number line. Now let's study that how we can show a rational number on number line. Fine. Now you all know that rational number means the numbers which are in the form of m by n. Okay, as I told you, which is in the form of n by n. Now how can we show these rational numbers on the number line? You will get the numbers like this whose denominators are same. See, 1 by 3, 6 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3. Fine. So the denominators of all the rational numbers are same. That's why it is very easy to put this rational numbers on a number line. Now what is your first step? First of all, if your denominator is same, so what you have to do? See, I told you that your number line starts from 0. Okay, so in the denominator 3 are there. So in between 0 to 1 you are going to make a 3 part. First part, second part, third part. 3 parts. Okay, again from 1 to 2 you are going to make 3 parts. First part, second part, third part. Again same for all other numbers. Fine. Now from 0 I am going to write some numbers. Just look at here and watch it on a fresh number line so that you can understand it easily. Now from 0 to 1 what we have done? We have make a 3 parts. Why? Because in the denominator 3 is there. If what happens 5 was there, okay fine. If 5 was there, we are going to make 5 parts between 0 to 1, 1 to 3 and 3 to 2 to 3 similarly. Fine. Here 3 was there, that's why we have made 3 parts. So what should be the number to this first part? The first part is 1 by 3. Getting it? 1 by 3. The second part 2 by 3. Third part 3 by 3. That is 3 ones are 3, again 1. Now from 0 we have made the parts like this. That's why from 0 this was the first part, this was the second part, this was the third part, and now this is your fourth part. Okay, so the number for this is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. This is 5 by 3. This is 6 by 3. That is again 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Ultimate answer is your 2. Getting it? This is 7 by 3, 8 by 3. This is 9 by 3. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So your answer is 3. And this is 10 by 3 and so on. Understood everybody? So what we have to put? 1 by 3, that already we have shown. This is your 1 by 3. After that 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means this is what you want to show. So we have already shown on that. 4 by 3. Where is 4 by 3? This is 4 by 3. That already we have shown. 5 by 3. Again same here. Then okay fine. This was the method to show the rational numbers on number line. Understood? Now I'll show you one more so that you can get it easily. We will make for 4 parts. Okay, should I do for 2? Why? Because the board is the board is very small. That's why if I'm going to put 5, it will not cover in this board. Fine. So what we will do? 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 9 by 2. Again, draw one number line starting from 0. 2 is there in the denominator. So how many parts we are going to make? Two parts. 1, 2. This is 1 and 2. First number 1. Again 2 parts. 2. Again 2 parts. 3. Again 2 parts. 4. Again 2 parts. 5. Getting it? Okay. Now start from 0. First part. 1 by 2. This is second part. 2 by 2. That is again 1. Third part. 3 by 2. Fourth part. 4 by 2. So again it is same as a 2. This is 5 by 2. 6 by 2. 7 by 2. 8 by 2. And last 9 by 2 and 10 by 2. 6 by 2 is ultimately your 3. 8 by 2 is ultimately your 4. And 10 by 2 is ultimately your 5. Getting it? So while solving the questions, you are not going to draw all these things. Okay? Only you are going to show what we have to show. 3 by 2. Where is our 3 by 2? Here. 3 by 2. Then where is our 5 by 2? This one. 5 by 2. Then next, what is 9 by 2? Where is 9 by 2? This is 9 by 2. Students, this is very, very easy. You can draw it very easily and solve the questions very easily. Fine. This was what about today's lecture or today's video. Very, very easy. I'll give you some questions on that. Please watch this video carefully and solve the questions based on this. And again, if you have any doubt, we are going to discuss that doubt in online lectures. Fine. So have a nice day and thank you everyone.